Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create this emo outfit and trust and press without VIP. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one, and you're going to color it with the black color, and then you're going to choose this bang as well and color it black, and put on this earphone, color it gray, and you're going to put on this sunglass as well. And then I'm going to move to the shirt area. It's right here, and I'm going to put on this shirt, and then we're going to color it with the black color. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this boots. Oops. Okay, put on this boot and just leave it like that. And then I'm going to move to this area, and I'm going to put on the stocking, and we're gonna apply this pattern. All right, and put on this item, color it black. I'm going to make it this black, and then we're going to go to the necklace area. Okay, I'm going to put on this choker. Okay, for the color, just leave it like that, and put on this necklace. We're going to make it black and white. Okay, for the second selection, make it black like this. All right, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, the changing room, and I'm going to put on the jacket from the coats item. Okay, you can put on this jacket, and I'm going to remove the watermelon. Okay, and I'm going to go back to this area and put on this belt. All right, and then go to the skirt area, and I'm going to put on the skirt and make it black. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this emo outfit in Trust and Press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!